guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be revamping 2 wigs for my clients. I am going to basically be rewashing and conditioning the units so that they can be styled for my client. So first and foremost, you're going to need some purple shampoo if the hair is platinum blonde or honey blonde. But if not, you use regular shampoo, and you're going to need some Shimmer Lights conditioner or whichever purple conditioner that you have for the unit. So I'm going to be submerging this unit completely in water before I apply anything to it, and this just basically helps with detangling the hair, because you don't want to detangle while it's dried. It's just going to basically pull and make the unit shed, and you just don't want to do that, especially if you invested your money into it. So I'm just going to submerge this in water, and then I'll be back once I apply the shampoo and conditioner. Okay, you guys, now that I have the unit completely drenched with water, we're going to apply the conditioner first before the shampoo. Applying the conditioner first basically helps with making sure that it detangles, and it also adds moisture to the unit as well, especially if it's already been bleached. You know, that is really drying and damaging to the hair, so you want to add as much moisture and conditioner into the unit as possible. So I'm going to apply this first, and then I'm going to apply my purple shampoo on top of it. I'm not going to rinse out the conditioner. I'm going to just apply the shampoo on top of it as I'm doing now, and then I'm going to shampoo the unit as normal and rinse that out. Okay, you guys, we are now rinsing out the second portion of shampoo, and so then we're gonna move on to the conditioning part, and I'm gonna use my infamous silicone mix. You guys, I already posted a video on this, so if you want to check that out, information is in the description bar. But I applied the silicone mix, I leave it in overnight, and I rinse out the next day with cool water. That basically locks in the moisture. So we're on to unit number 2, which is a natural wave unit. I did custom make this unit, you guys. If you're interested, information is in the description bar down below. I also custom color this wig as well. So this is an HD unit. It does have a little bit of buildup on the lace, so we're gonna go ahead and wash her and, you know, clean enclosure is, the frontal as well. So same process, you want to basically drench this in the water, making sure you detangle it as you're adding the water through there, and you want to make sure that you get all of the tangles out with your finger. You don't want to comb it or yank on it, especially with the HD lace, because it's already really thin, so you want to be very, very careful when you're actually washing this unit. So once we apply once we go ahead and rinse the unit off, we're gonna go in with some shampoo, and I'm gonna be using 2 different shampoos on this unit. Number one, because I did bleach this unit and it has 2 different undertones on here. It has yellow and orange undertones. And if you are not familiar with undertones, that's basically like the underlying color of once you bleach the hair, it changes, and so it basically tells you what's underneath, if it's yellow, orange, green, red, you know, all that kind of stuff. So we're gonna go in with our Joico Color Balance Blue shampoo, and we're gonna use the Shiny Silver Purple shampoo. So basically blue cancels out orange and purple cancels out yellow. So I am mixing these two so that I can go ahead and wash this on the unit. I'm gonna leave it on for just a couple of seconds, and these basically is like acts as a toner, you guys. Instead of using a regular toner, you can use color shampoo, and it basically cancels out any of the undertones that is in there. But make sure you, if it is on 613 level, you make sure you don't leave it on too long, because what it does is it actually changes the color to whatever color shampoo or conditioner that you're using. So yeah, I'll just let you guys keep watching. Okay, you guys, I am washing the lace. As you can see, I'm gently washing over the lace. I am not scrubbing, yanking, or pulling it. A lot of people make the mistake of purchasing good quality hair and treating it like it's less quality. That's like buying a BMW and you treating it like it's a Honda. It's just not gonna work the same. If you investing your money into quality hair, make sure you take care of it and thoroughly washing it good, and you know, using your fingers instead of a comb or brush is going to make the hair last longer than the average time frame. So if you're actually investing in good quality hair, you guys, make sure you treat it like it's quality hair. You know what I'm saying? Like, don't treat it like it's bad hair and then you're mad because 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months down the line it's not giving you what you actually paid for. That's because you have to take care of the hair, and one of the key components of taking care of hair is washing it good and using silicone mix, you guys. Silicone mix, I'm telling you, it saves lives, okay? Not just with hair extensions, but it also saves lives with your natural hair. And if you have not seen that video, once again, information is in the description bar down below with how I actually fixed my hair, because I left my braids in too long. So yeah. Alrighty, you guys, now conditioning time. I'm going to show you now how to apply the product to the hair. I apply a large amount of product to my units. I oversaturate it with conditioner, especially silicone mix, because I want it to basically get a lot of moisture and I want it to be really soft when I rinse it out. I also leave this product in overnight. I do not rinse it out immediately. I leave it in overnight, which lets it sit and actually penetrates into the cuticle. I mean, it can't do really too much because it's not on a human and it does not produce heat, but the mixture still does what it needs to do, especially to bleached hair or any hair that is, you know, not in good condition. It does help good with that. So I just apply this mixture all over the unit from roots to ends, and I am going to put it in a bag. I'm sorry, put it in a bag and I tie it up and leave it in overnight and rinse out the next day. And I use cool water, you guys. I can't stress this enough. Using cool water locks everything in, all of the moisture, all of the nutrients that you need into the hair. It locks that back in. So if you guys did enjoy this video and it was informational for you, make sure you thumbs this video up, you guys. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you have not already done so. Share this video with a friend, you guys, and make sure those post notifications are turned on so you will know when I actually post another video. So you guys, thank you so much for watching. If you did make it all the way to the end, congratulations, honey. Until next time, you guys, stay tuned.